What are SQRL or SQRL codes and why should you use them? SQRL stands for Standardized Quick Response for Logistics and were developed by members of the Reverse Logistics Association. SQRL codes are a new format for storing large amounts of supply chain data in a small format. The familiar one-dimensional barcode stores a UPC or Universal Product Code. Scanning a UPC allows the company to look up the product in its database to find out pricing or other information. QR, or Quick Response Codes, were created by Denso Wave of Japan. In the US, they are primarily known as a marketing device. When a user scans one, they are taken to a website. For example, if you scan this QR code, it takes you to the Reverse Logistics Association's website about SQRL codes. However, the Reverse Logistics Association has developed a new method to use QR codes to store supply chain information. This method is known, of course, as SQRL codes. QR codes can store a lot of information. For example, the QR code in the SQRL website only stores 12 characters. However, QR codes can store up to 4,000 characters. For example, the Gettysburg Address is 1,504 characters long, and the full text is stored in this QR code. The printed size of a QR code depends on the number of characters to be stored in it, as well as the quality of the printing process and the scanners used to read it. The SQRL standard is not only for QR codes, but can also be used with matrix 2D barcodes and RFID. The SQRL standard utilizes the efficiency of these modern storage technologies to store multiple pieces of information in one small space. The SQRL standard written by the RLA is an ISO and ANSI approved global standard. It is open and free to use. There is no charge to create or read SQRL code. Each piece of information is identified with a designator known as a field identifier. Any data fields can be encrypted whenever needed. Because the RLA is the maintainer of the standard, it is easy to expand the standard whenever needed. SQRL codes can have countless applications anywhere a company would like to readily put a large amount of information in customers' hands using a small amount of space. For example, providing information to customers to let them know if a product is compatible with other products they already own. After they buy it, that same single SQRL code can help them register a product, download the manual or quick start sheet, or contact tech support. It can also help them buy extended warranties or accessories. In the case of food, it can help them be more readily aware of date or lot codes and product recalls. In the B2B setting, SQRL codes can serve as digital toe tags, much like oil change stickers. If a product is serviced, an SQRL code can help keep track of the services performed, where, and by whom. For more information, please visit our website at www.rla.org/SQRL or email us at info@rla.org.